All right, we're ready to do our math. We're gonna do lesson 56. We'll read a little Christmas number story first. So it's called 10 Minutes Till Showtime. And I'm looking at the picture and I'm noticing a baby, some angels. So did you know that we celebrate Christmas because on Christmas, it's actually Jesus's birthday? And that's why we celebrate Christmas. So that's really, really, really special. So this is about some little children putting on a play or a show about Jesus's birthday. And we're gonna count backwards from 10. 10 minutes till showtime. 10 minutes till showtime. Has anyone seen my moose? Now, moose is something to make your hair kind of stick up a little bit. And then she has a little moose here. She says, moose? Not that moose, hair moose. 9 minutes till showtime. Everyone put on your halo. 8 minutes till showtime. Ooh, look at her wings are hitting somebody in the head. 7 minutes till showtime. Looks like she's mad because her wings are small. 6 minutes till showtime. Oh, they're gonna lift the curtain up in a moment. 5 minutes till showtime. Is it time? Is it time? 4 minutes till showtime. Man, those lights are bright. Just wait. 3 minutes till showtime. Sorry. 2 minutes till showtime. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The angels are so excited. 1 minute till showtime. It's time, it's time. Showtime. There's the little manger, or the stable where Jesus was born. Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace and goodwill toward men. And there's all the angels. Showtime. He's such a miracle. I sense that all of heaven is rejoicing with us now. And Joseph says, I think you're right, my sweets. So there's Mary, Joseph, and little baby Jesus. Did you see those chubby cheeks? Oh, did you see all that hair sticking out? Wow, he has his father's eyes. Oh. All right. So today on our page, we're going to be looking at something called a Geo Board. This is a Geo Board. It's like a plastic board, and it has all these little things called pegs on them. Do you see the pegs? So to use a Geo Board, you use little rubber bands and you make shapes. So I'm looking at this Geo Board, and I'm going to try to make this triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I'm in the second row, because I'm in the second row here, and I'm going to make one rubber band, oopsie, like that. So do you see I have this line right here? Then I'm going to go over, let's see, 1, 2. I'm going to connect here, and I'm going to go over 2. Then I'm going to connect my top piece to my bottom piece down here. And I have the same shape. I made the triangle on my Geo Board. And I know it's a triangle because triangles have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. You can make other shapes using your Geo Board too. Let's see if I can make the next one, which is a square. It's a little bit shorter. These aren't the right rubber bands to use on the Geo Board. The ones that are the right ones, they all got old and they broke. So I'm using these ones, but they work. There, I made the triangle. Let's see. This one's a rectangle. So this one, we're just gonna make it a little bit shorter. Oopsie. Oh, it's so tricky. My nails are short now. Let's see if I can do it. go. There we go. We got our rectangle. And then, ooh, this triangle looks really tricky. I'm gonna have to take the whole thing off in order to make that one. All right, so I go one down from here, and then I'm gonna go across, kind of over to here. Okay, then I'm gonna go down over to here. Okay, then I'm gonna go back up over to here. And I made this triangle on my Geo board. Cool. Maybe when you come to school, we'll practice using Geo boards. All right, so got our crayons ready. I think we'll use a pencil today also. So it says at the top, we're looking at our Geo boards. It says use a green crayon to trace any triangles you see on a Geo board. So I'm noticing that this is a triangle. So I'm gonna use my green crayon and I'm gonna trace the lines. Those are the rubber band lines. There's another triangle, do you see it? It's down here, right? And we know they're triangles because triangles have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. The next direction says use an orange crayon to trace the square on the Geo board. So squares have 4 sides and they're all the same, right? And rectangles have 2 short sides and 2 long sides. I'm noticing that this one looks like a square. So I'm gonna find my orange and I'm gonna trace my square orange. I'm not coloring them in, I'm just tracing. And the last one says use a purple crayon to trace the rectangle on the Geo board. I'm noticing, look at this one, 2 sides are short. Here's the short sides. And then 2 sides are longer. Here's the longer sides. So use a purple to trace your rectangle on your Geo board. Press pause if you need to finish. All right, and we're gonna work on 8s, 9s, and 0s. So make sure you have your pencil ready, and to do an 8, we make an S and then we go back home, right? We make an S and we go back home. We make an S and we go back home. We make an S, we go back home. So for 9s, we go around and down, around and down, around and down. And we always start on the black dot. Around and down. And then we're doing 0s. 0s are easy because we've been practicing 0s at school when we were doing the letter O, and 0 when we were at home also. All right, we've got our pennies here. It says how many pennies? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oopsie. 4 pennies. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same number. That means they are equal. Equal means the same. How many pennies all together? So now we count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We make an S and we come back home. All right, press pause if you need to finish.